So the number one complaint that I often hear in my office is I can't turn my mind off before bed. That's the type of thing that Magnolia Bark can be really good for. One of my favorite supplements for people to use is Magnolia Bark. Magnolia Bark is a natural anxiolytic, meaning it helps reduce your level of anxiety. It's not a sleep aid. What it does is it helps reduce your anxiety that you might be having before going to bed. So the number one complaint that I often hear in my office is I can't turn my mind off before bed. That's the type of thing that Magnolia Bark can be really good for. If you're going to try Magnolia Bark as a supplement, you would be wanting to take approximately 30 milligrams, approximately 30 minutes before bed. But again, check with your doctor, make sure it might not have any interaction effects with other medications or other treatments you might be doing. One of the reasons that I like supplements before I like prescriptions as far as treatments for low-level insomnia is because when we look at supplements, number one, we're not looking at the addictive potential that can be for some, especially the older school sleep medications. Also, it's a more natural substance, and so the body is much more readily to be able to accept it and absorb it.